C'est bon, si, on va.
Pas deux, pas trois.
So we are going inside. Alright, let's go. Get to experience everything from the source.
Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's episode 1 of the South series. I've been to almost every part of Cameroon except the northwest for obvious reasons and the south region. So imagine the excitement on my face when Young Africa called and say, hey Chimex, we have some proposed activities down south. So let's go explore them and bring them to your audience and to the world at large. So I was so excited, I packed my bags, packed my gadgets and head out to Yaoundé. Of course, I wasn't on the trip alone. I was with Frank Bikile, a young Cameroonian who is a digital content creator and promotes tourism in Cameroon. So I got to Yaoundé and straight away we're heading to Ebolowa. On my way to Ebolowa, I noticed the road network is really good. Guys, trust me, Yaoundé Ebolowa has one of the best road networks. Some might argue Yaoundé Bafoussam, but I've never traveled to Bafoussam from Yaoundé. So yep, we got to Ebolowa and let's just dive into the vlog. Touched down the city town of Ebolowa, about heading for the Ebolowa city store. Where I'm standing right now, this is a kids park which is going to be operational sometime this year, and this is going to be a very great activity for the locals of Ebolowa, where you can come have a great time with your kids. From what I gather, there are only 2 of such parks owned by the state in Cameroon, one in Ebolowa and another one in Garoua.
Ebolowa is one of the cleanest cities in Cameroon. Transportation here is done by bikes mostly, or you use your leg to move around. You can literally count the number of taxis with just one hand.
So right here we are at Carrefour Martin Paul Samba. He's a martyr in this part of the country. That is a very important hero for the people of Ebolowa. Let's go.
La résistance anticoloniale, il a été fondé le 1914 par les Allemands. Et on va vous montrer la place là-bas devant, là où il a été fouillé. Au même moment qu'on est fouillé ici à Ebolowa, on fouillait également, voilà la même date de 8.
Our next site for this tour is a tree known as Ndume Betakok. It's a tree that sits on a rock here in Ebolowa. People come from far and wide to this tree to ask for blessings, and we're told that to get into this site, you need to get in through your back. That is, you get into your bag, and to go out, you go out from the back. Guys, this was a beautiful sight, and the guide told us a lot of history about this tree. It is really protected as it's some kind of sanctuary for the people of Ebolowa. If you know something which relates to this tree biologically, please do comment in the comment section below, because a friend of mine told me that I should read about calcification of trees. So if you have more info about this, just hit me down in the comment section. Let's keep on with the tour.
Ici, c'est Mvila ici. Et pourquoi on a... Non, c'est la coutume.
La coutume. Par respect par rapport
Par respect, non, tout respect. C'est comme ça qu'on nous a appris.
on a fait le dos.
On nous a appris comme ça. C'est pour sortir comme ça. Oui. Je suis le rocher. Oui. Voilà, vous voyez, voilà pourquoi les racines sont comme ça. C'est sur le rocher. S'il y a nos ancêtres sont peut-être en bas de Mvila.
Venez souvent faire fêter les palabres ici là.
Oui.
Aujourd'hui et tout ça.
Oui.
technique. Cap, yeah. Oui. Well, I see a little fish. Right here we are at the municipal lake where you have so many activities like the paddling canoe and fishing. Ça c'est quoi là-bas?
Tapioca.
Oh, tapioca. Oh, okay.
Ça c'est gâteau.
You have to be very patient.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So the
C'est bon, papa. Oui, papa.
I know many of you have heard me talk about Young Africa in my previous videos, but I'm just here to reiterate the fact that Young Africa is a Cameroonian company owned by Cameroonians. They consolidate activities all over Cameroon and bring them to you within just a click of a button. So I want to say a very big thank you to Young Africa for sponsoring this trip. Any activity you want, being online or offline, can be brought to you tailor-made. So yeah guys, Young Africa is here to make traveling within Cameroon transparent, seamless and affordable, and you get the opportunity to live your experience. You also have the opportunity to rate your trip as well as win points when you book. So head on to youngafrica.com to book this activity as well as many other activities around Cameroon. Follow them as well on all social media platforms, Young Africa. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, because statistics shows 70% of you guys watching are not subscribed to the channel. So please do that right now and see you next week, Sunday. This is your boy Chimex and I'm out. Peace.